नमस्कार, स्वागत आहे ब्रेक नंतर. It's time for match number 19 of the Maharashtra Premier League. The PBG Kolhapur Tuskers taking on the 4S Puneri Bappa. It was Ruturaj Gaikwad, the captain of Puneri Bappa, won the toss, chose to bat. To talk of the PBG Kolhapur Tuskers, the top order needs to fire. Saniket Porwal, Tripathi, Bhavne, Matre, Munde, Dongre. Talk of Puneri Bappa, Ruturaj Gaikwad fired. Pawan and Yash still to fire. Abhimanyu Jadhav was in top-notch form. So there we go then. The openers are ready. We might have the vice captain coming in first. There we go. It's going to be Pawan Shah. And giving company to Pawan Shah is Yash Shirsagar. Nihal Tusamad.
3, 2, 1, let's begin!
A little bit of swing on offer always. This is what we expect from Nihal Tusamad.
पैर खोल के खेले तो बिल्कुल ये बढ़िया शॉट. ये गेंद को आने दिया. ये गेंद भी काफी करीब थी उनके.
And the ball coming in, and that's natural swing. Chance at the non-striker's end. Manoj Yadav does it well. It's a good partnership this.
विकेट कीपर को देना, फील्डर को हाथ में देना इतना आसान नहीं होता है. अच्छा थ्रो मारा उन्होंने और बल्ले गेंदबाज को इतना आसान हो गया. और कितने बाहर थे पहले में वापस रन आउट होकर 6 पर 1.
Victory for the 4S Puneri Bappa, again going for the big swing.
उसके लिए थोड़ा सा ये बड़ा शॉट पवन शाह ने ऑन द अप मारा. ओह छक्का बटोरा. अच्छा टाइमिंग, अच्छा बैलेंस, लेंथ पिकअप की बहुत जल्दी, उसके कारण ये छक्का आया. उसका उपयोग करना बहुत जरूरी है. कड़क शॉट यहाँ पर पॉइंट की दिशा में. चौका रोहन दामले का. कल भी एक छोटी बारी खेली थी, कैमियो खेली थी. आज भी हवा में गेंद है बिल्कुल यहाँ पर चौका आएगा. मिड ऑन मिड विकेट के पीछे.
Pawan Shah's day today. On the leg side, nicely picked up. Another full toss, but this time Shah does not.
The Maharashtra Premier League that they registered yesterday evening. But as Ruturaj Gaikwad said,
Jets and incredible batting we saw of
अच्छी बात इनकी बॉलिंग की मुझे ये लगती है, ये विकेट्स लेने के लिए बॉलिंग करते हैं. 4 विकेट ली थी पिछले मैच में भी. यहाँ भी हल्की सी वो फ्लाइट थी, उतनी ज्यादा फ्लाइट भी नहीं थी लेकिन इतनी फ्लाइट थी कि मजबूर किया था पवन शाह को ड्राइव करने के लिए, जिन्होंने 25 रन बनाया. 36 for 2.
catch it is the call, and that's it. The man in form, Abhimanyu Jadhav, after a fabulous knock. Yes,
Abhimanyu Jadhav gone for 1. 38 for 3. Chawan.
and he's bowled him, and he is happy, and why not? Because he has picked up the big wicket.
He's won the battle. Nikhil was saying he's got a good flipper onto the body and then onto the stumps. This is what happened. The luck starts running for you if you've got a positive attitude. Gaikwad, 44 for 4 now, PB.
of course, lots of captains don't like to bowl the left arm spinners just for that reason, because then they can go with the spin. If it's in the arc, then it allows the batsman.
But on field, what you want to do, that's very important. Here we go here. Half volley.
Little bit of blessing. This time, over the long off fielder will watch the ball sail over him. King free. And finally, somebody using their feet and going inside out with the spin. It was beautifully bowled once again by Taranjit Dhillon, but good counter attack by.
Shreyas Chavan comes into the attack, and the first ball.
That big heart. Use of the feet. In there. Well done, Rahul Tripathi. And this is how it was broken. And another wicket for Shreyas Chavan. Make these changes. Now we know. Damle gone for 38, 91 for 5.
Spinner, both on 13 wickets each.
Yeah, but I like the heart this kid has. Shreyas Chavan, he was hit for a 6 of the previous delivery. Maharashtra would be loving to see this time in the air. Didn't time it. Oh! Wicket number 5! Credit to the fielder there. Well judged. Good running catch. Manoj Yadav is the fielder. Second time any bowler has got 5 wickets in Maharashtra Premier League. And this time it's Shreyas Chavan. Well, what a lovely sight. Invited again. And credit to the fielder there. Outare gone for 26. And now after 60.
The Maharashtra Premier League. Oh, that'll be a boundary, a lucky one at that. But 4 runs nevertheless.
Oh! Gets a wicket of a bad ball. Gets a wicket of a short delivery.
And as you said it, rewarded for all the hard work that he has put in. He bowled a good ball, didn't get a wicket. A short ball hit straight to the captain Rahul Tripathi, who makes wicket finally. Ramkrishna Ghosh out for 0, 99 for 7. The stadium, great venue, wonderful pitches, good cricket that we're seeing. Oh, that is excellent cricket. Over the cover fielder, no chance at all. Great weather as well. Oh, down the leg side with the fine leg inside the circle. This is a gift. Suraj Shinde, if he bats like this, that is well on the cards.
They get to 130, 135. Suraj Shinde says, yes, we can.
Bright sunshine and Suraj is shining. A banged in shot wants a single, and that'll be a run out at the north. Sachin Bhosle to reach at the other end. Tried his best, but well shot off. Bhosle out, run out for 4. 1, 2 at the non-striker's end. Full toss, and he has given the desired treatment. Yes, he connects well. 1 bounce. On the bounce, nicely stopped. A single there. Exactly 135 for the loss of 8 wickets is what 4S Pune, Shirsagar, Abhimanyu Jadhav and then Ruturaj Gaikwad. They also lost their wickets. 18 runs and 5 wickets. Good support from Taranjit Dhillon and from Yash. 6 to win in 20 overs. We take a short break.
Yes, taking a couple of steps ahead. Nikhil Chopra in the comp box.
Advantage as well.
This time takes the outside edge. And
Is also go over slip. Compensating the previous delivery. Nicely played. Well in control. Beautifully.
as he connected that, yes, an on drive. Maybe a chance for the fielder. No chance at all. Good. Nicely bowled. Porwal coming down the track, but is he going to be lucky? Oh, yes. Goes big in the air. Chance for a fielder at mid-on. Is he going to reach that? Almost.
A catch and he caught that. Covered a lot of ground, but unfortunately, the ball just kept getting away from him. Now then, previous 5 deliveries, you've got 5. This time, soft dismissal.
Niket Porwal dismissed for 9. 27 for 1, Kolhapur Tuskers. Net number 3, the skipper, the PBG Kolhapur Tuskers, Rahul Tripathi. 188 runs so far this season, strike rate of 1 and long off placed. Sweeps, is it fine enough? Yes, it is. The fielder at short fine tried his best, but that'll be 4 for Rahul Tripathi. To go on the offside. Oh yes, nicely done. As if he knew exactly where the fielders were placed. Sweeps and goes long. This time Rahul Tripathi. Signature there. Bharat Ratna Sachin Tendulkar's signature on the bat, and there we go. The boundary coming in again. Short ball. Looked like maybe a run.
Plays that one through the point region. The ball will win the race, and that's the perfect opportunity.
ये बॉल के पीछे इतनी बॉडी नहीं लग रही थी जिसकी वजह से वो जान नहीं मिल रही थी. बहुत बढ़िया डिलीवरी थी.
Short delivery again punishes that one, and the ball will win the race.
Oh, full toss, and he just gives it direct.
Because that is going to help your net run rate as well. Straight in the hands. Was looking the.
Is this the little opening that Puneri Bappa were looking for? A reverse sweep and a very good catch. Rohan Dav party out on 42, 104 for 2.
Round crosses the popping crease now. This is a better shot. The improvisation by Ankit Bhavne. Up and over. And that boundary also gets him to his 50. Well played, Ankit Bhavne. 50 of 46 with the help of 5 boundaries to his name. Controlled and paced his innings beautifully.
Brilliant knock. 5 boundaries and a good strike rate while chasing this target. And he celebrates that with another cracking boundary. The first batter to score 500 runs in the MPL.
He's going to clear the infield. And gets another boundary. Off the back foot. Used the depth of the crease, waited on his back foot, and once again found the middle of the bat. Trying to break the concentration of the batsman. But you can't break Ankit Bhavne's concentration in the slot, and this.
The way he cuts off the back foot. This time exactly in the opposite direction. Times it so well.
Yeah, take a look at how beautifully executed that sweep shot. The slog sweep against the spin, but you can trust.
1 run to win. And Ankit Bhavne hits the winning runs. 70 not out for Ankit Bhavne. PBG Kolhapur Tuskers register a convincing 8-wicket win here. Bappa won the toss, elected to bat first. They could score only 135 for the loss of 8 wickets. Rohan Damle 38, Suraj Shinde a fighting 35 not out. Shreyas Sawan, what a falling spell that was, 5 for 18. And in the end, PBG Kolhapur Tuskers chased that with ease, winning the match by 8 wickets.